So now we click here,
Okay.
ground, go to drawing utility and click units. So a dialog box will open, or you can type in command bar UN enter. So that again it will appear. Then again UN space bar. Again a dialog box will appear. Okay. So that for units you can utilize
Okay.
UN enter, UN space bar, and directly application menu, drawing utility, and then apply units. Okay, so that in length type you can find lots of type of length is available here. So first go through architecture. So what is architecture means? Architecture drawing basically utilized for inches, feet and inches drawing, and it's basically utilized fractional units basically. Like we type 4.5, so it means yeah, rather than 4.5 it will show 4 1 by 2 inches. Okay, it will so utilize for fractional unit, mainly architecture, and basically utilize for inches and feet drawing. And then again to decimal drawing, so you will see that as a, we can select mm, meter, centimeter, if you want. So we select meter for our drawing, so that we click meters as our drawing. Right. For the engineering, same conditions for engineering, we utilize inches and feet for engineering, but basically it will utilize a decimal unit to show result. So mainly we select engineering and then go through inches, and a fractional unit
Okay.
in fractional unit you can select meter, centimeter, kilometer, any. Okay, and then in scientific values, when we go narrow, very narrow means like very poor conditions like 0.0000001 conditions, that we that conditions we utilize scientific values, and not in any organization we utilize these conditions scientific. Okay, so mainly we utilize architecture,
Okay.
decimal, engineering, and fractional unit. Basically, in mechanical drawing, you utilize decimal or fractional. In an organization where you are working on drawings, means like building drawings, HVAC drawings, that you utilize architecture and engineering, basically, or electronic drawing and electrical drawing, you can utilize decimal same. So basically, if you select architecture and then there is a precise value, key, how much precision you want to create a drawing, like point, how number of points you want. Like we select decimal value, and after decimal, uh, your values. So that we select point zero, yeah, 0.00 as a precision, and then or go to architecture tab. You select mm. If you select mm, then click OK. So it will show a warning for use with architecture or engineering linear unit. Insert unit should be set to inches. So it basically required inches unit to start with architecture or engineering drawing. And with the help of decimal drawing, you can select mm. So it don't show any warning. Okay. In that conditions, we utilize decimal and fractional unit. Means there is a drawing called engineering drawing, but the unit set to be decimal. Okay, that is
Okay.
drawing.
Okay.
That's it as drawing, but we are selecting a units, not a drawing. Okay, so we select decimal.
If 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 if
Mhm.
if we select fractional,
Yeah, yeah,
then
yeah.
we will select.
Then we can select millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, inches, feet, anything. Okay, so we go through like mm and then click OK.
Okay. Okay. I got it.
Okay, now go through the angle. So that we can find a degree, minute, seconds, grades, radians, survey units, and decimal degrees. Basically, we mostly utilize decimal degrees to create any drawing. So we can select decimal degrees and precision. Same conditions with precision. You can select point after that point zero or point without zero. And then there is option clockwise. In AutoCAD, we utilize anti-clockwise angle because of I will show. Like if we go through the conditions like this, like 0 degree, then upward is 90 degree. Okay, and this one is 180 degree, and 270 degree. Okay, so if we working on a AutoCAD, we utilize anti-clockwise working. But when we select clockwise working, all of the angle will go down, like 0, then 90, 180, and again 270. So basically we utilize anti-clockwise working in AutoCAD. Okay, so we can't click on clockwise working.
Anti-clockwise working method.
Yeah, anti-clockwise method, because you can see 3 angle 45 degree, and when we click on clockwise working, it show 3 angle 315 degree, because of 45 degree convert into the 315. Okay, so that we
Yeah.
uncheck this button clockwise, so we are working as a anti-clockwise angle. Then there is option lighting. So mainly lighting in intensity, you say international, American, and generic. Basically lighting utilized for 3D modeling, not for 2D drafting, because 2D drafting there is a no effect on the any drawing take care for lighting, because we haven't created any 3D object which create a shadow. Okay, so for 3D modeling we utilize lighting, so that now we start a 2D modeling drawing, so that there is no use for lighting. Okay, then next condition is direction. So
Okay.
if we select direction, so east is 0 degree, means if we check this button, so that east is 0 degree. Then here and right side, yeah, this is right side
Which
of
button? Sorry.
in
Direction?
right side
Right side. Okay.
yeah, east is 0 degree. Okay, east is 0 degree.
Yeah. Understand.
North is 90 degree and west is 180 degree. So if we select other, then you can check angle, means you can default by default angle is 0 degree, and you can change its angle. But basically this is our base diagram, so that we can't change. Then click, we select as a decimal working, precision equals to 0.00, then utilize for drawing, and click OK to set my drawing. So this is the basic unit of our AutoCAD mainly. So that this is the unit setup, means we click here drawing utility and then units, or directly we can type UN, enter, or you can UN. Changing of direction is not more comfortable, means with the drawing, because if you change each direction, take care, your 2D drawing will not get any result, means something like that. Okay, because mainly it depends on the lighting conditions for 3D modeling, means you can change east, or change north, so that you can set your sun status, means where to sun start and where to sunrise. Okay na, so that direction control is mainly for 3D modeling, not for 2D drafting. Okay. Okay, Rishik, then
Okay.
so that we can select anything, then click,
Yeah.
and then we select as a type, length type equals to decimal, and then precise value is 0.00, because we want to draw minute drawings like 1.00, yeah, 1.25, so that we can define.